Hi everybody, this is a very quick summary of Module 11, so you can get moving on Module 12, the review module that's just started. Module 11 was a really long module, there was lots to do in it. 5 questionnaires, 2 wikis, plus the forum, so I just want to have a look at a couple of questionnaires really in any kind of detail. Thanks to all of you who contributed to the forum. I know you had a lot to do over the last couple of weeks. I know it's been busy for you with the end of the school year. But the main questionnaire in Module 11 was on lesson planning. And you probably remember there was an article and then some questions for you to answer about the article. Well, I'm going to just look at 3 or 4 of the questions. And question 3 is a good starting point. Why do we need to plan? So Module 11 really was about lesson planning, and this article says that you simply need to plan to know your aims and how to achieve them, which I have to agree with, but then again, everything that you've written there makes sense as well. Question 4 says, what should the plan detail be based on? And your ideas again are absolutely fine, but I think in the article it actually stated you want to focus, or you should focus, on what you want your students to be able to do. And I think that maybe is something which in the past I had a problem with, that I thought more about what I was doing as a teacher and less about what the students were doing to help them learn. Let's just go down to question number 7. Where does the main aim come from? Well, of course, it's from the syllabus or the course plan, and you've got it all here in your answers. Question 9 I thought was quite interesting. Why is it good to anticipate problems? Well, quite simply, as this answer here says, to feel more confident. And that's something that I know that I feel if I think, okay, in this lesson, what am I going to do if those 2 students start arguing and shouting at each other again? Okay, I'm going to do this. What am I going to do if these students don't understand or finish more slowly than the others? Okay, I'm going to do this. So just being prepared for problematic situations definitely does make you feel more confident, I think. Okay, that was the questionnaire on lesson planning. Next, there was a wiki related to this on planning. And thank you to Maihan and Yati, Kamsia, Nikja for all the contributions you made. And here are your ideas. Just pause and have a look at these. There were then, in Module 11, questionnaires on aims, outcomes from lessons, anticipated problems for lessons. If you want to see what your colleagues answered, just go back to Module 11 and look at their contributions to those questionnaires. There was then as well a wiki on intonation, which I think you saw I didn't like. I thought it was difficult. So I changed this into just a general pronunciation wiki. Only Kamsia responded, so thank you, Kamsia, for your ideas there. And my idea at the top as well, if you want to have a look at that just now. Okay, let's carry on. You can pause this video at any time if you want to watch, if you want to read something on the screen, remember. Okay, so after this intonation wiki, there were 2 more questionnaires. And one of the questionnaires was on, whoops, sorry, the website is being slow. Here we go. One of the questionnaires was this, on words from context, and I'm not going to go into that, although the final word you had to define was to contort. And let me just say that to contort means to twist. And usually to twist, we say a part of the body, for example, the face. So you contort your face. That was the penultimate questionnaire because the last one was about observation. And very quickly, if I look at your responses, you had to say if you agreed or disagreed with these statements about observation. And the answers that you disagreed with mostly, or answer, is this one. Observation is used to judge teachers rather than evaluate them. You disagreed with that. Okay, that's quite interesting. And the ones that you agreed most with, well, there are three, aren't there? That observation is good for improving teaching standards, peer observation is useful, feedback and self-reflection is useful, and or rather the most important part. And I think we can stop there. Observation was the final part of Module 11. Module 12 is a review of what you've been doing over the last few weeks. So good luck with that, and I'll see you in the forum soon. Bye.